Am I right to take that centre stud out to create my doorway?
Yep.
Mission Secret Attic Storage is go.
Lot of pressure. Get it done.
Shane, likes space, mate. I'm going to give her plenty of space this week. An extra 25 square metres of floor space.
So to finish upstairs, we're doing our other bedroom, a water closet, a study, and the landing. Budget's looking very grim.
The amount of cash Sarah and George have won so far, a big fat zero, leaving them very tight this week with only $580 in the kitty and a total budget of just over 21 grand.
We need the win.
Oh my goodness. Hold your donkeys.
Big tree.
I didn't expect it to be that big.
I don't feel like it was explained to be that large and whatnot. We were just told it was a tree that needed to be transported.
To be honest, I'll be honest with you, this is Brighton. How many of those trees do you see, in the streetscape?
Harry told someone that our palm tree doesn't fit in Brighton.
Palm trees don't belong in a beachside suburb. Huh? What?
Oh.
I got called in to the upstairs bathroom by Keith and Dan.
No angle.
No angle?
No angle.
What's going on with the angles in here?
And they pointed out that the wall flashing wasn't in place.
The flashing is plastic angles that should sit underneath all 90-degree joints in the gyprock and wet areas.
If there's no angle here,
Yeah.
is there an angle there?
I don't know. There probably isn't if there's not one there.
This whole bathroom's got to come out.
Well, g'day teams. Welcome to my HQ, and look who's in my house. It's Brickman.
Welcome.
So today we are giving you free rein to design and build your own dream home. No restrictions, no rules, except the fact you have to use Lego. Catch.com.au will be giving the winning team $10,000. They will also be receiving a fully installed smart home system. It is worth $10,000.
As you've never seen him before, it's the Lego Gnome.
For us, the Mediterranean is quite dear to our heart. We like the ocean, so we've shown a nice speedboat which can double as a fishing boat.
The first thing we want to start with is the colouring. So a lot of people go, oh, a rainbow house, how weird, but it's very true to who I am.
Daniel and I, we're pretty simple people. We just want to be able to chill out in our sunken garden, which is in the middle of our house.
For us, when we thought of our dream home, it had to be all about relaxation.
Our dream is an off-the-grid dream. We dream to have a big old barn in the middle of nowhere. Tam's out here in the garden just getting the vegetables ready for dinner.
OK, Brickman, would you like me to talk you through my dream right here?
Necessities, the simple bare necessities.
Oh, no, mate, I think we're right.
Forget about your world.
Ah.
Jimmy and Tam, a great build, a great story, and even the little details. Those animals, out of those parts you had, were really difficult to make. It was fantastic. Well done.
Absolutely incredible win. It's massive. This little guy here is going to come in handy, that's for sure.
Jimmy and Tam won. Again. Jimmy and Tam. House 5 won again.